Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining me in another video. These are actual vintage diecast of vintage race cars. Now, when I say vintage diecast, I mean I got these about 25 years ago. And these are all European-made diecasts. And back then, I was paying a lot of money for these in 1/43 scale, but there was nothing else available other than these European models. And they were very nicely done. Had lots of nice decals and details added to them. And these are all 1/43 scale. Well, we'll start with this one. This is actually a GT40 Ford factory race car, raced in 1968. The drivers were Brian Muir and Jackie Oliver. And that year they had 3 factory race teams, I believe, and only one finished. And unfortunately, this one didn't finish. But it's still a very nice model. And I believe it was the first time the Gulf livery was put on the car. Now you see the decals are starting to yellow, because they were basically decals that you would have for model car kits, and I guess they didn't clear coat over top. So you can definitely tell that they're water slide decals, but overall very nicely done. Nice wheels on them. You got the spinners there, rubber tires. Here's the chassis there. So this is a Bang model, made in Italy. And you got the engine detail. Pretty nice. It's got interior details on it, but no opening windows. No opening doors, so you can't see inside. And I believe this would have been another factory race car, although I couldn't find any information on it, other than the number 15 and these stripes actually appeared on the Roadster version. But another very nice car by Bang, made in Italy. And this is a very beautiful piece here. I'll show you the chassis first, and this is by Best. Now, I'm not sure if Best and Bang were a related company and then they separated, but the Best is actually better than the Bang, although this doesn't have any opening features like the engine cover there, but it has lots of nice details on it. As you can see, it's got the door handles, mirror, wipers, the lights on it, nicely done decals. Beautiful wheels on it. So I'm not sure if this would have been another Le Mans car, but it's a very beautiful car. And then we have the Cobra. Now, to help it go faster, they put a roof on it to make it a little more aerodynamic. This is a Bang model, so made in Italy. So it's got nice little features on it as well. And then we have a Porsche. Now this one is by Vetiz. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but here's the chassis here. So it's made in Portugal, Vitesse means fast speed. So it's not quite as detailed as the other ones, but still very nicely done. And all these are decals again, put on, and of course they weren't laid down too well, but I don't know if I want to touch it up with decal sol or decal set. There's stuff for model cars that you can use, but at this point I don't want to mess with it. So it's a very cool piece to have. And then I got two more, and these are by Onyx. And so I have Mario Andretti's IndyCar. Just pop that lid off. So these are very nicely done as well, Onyx. And of course, more decals applied. So a very nice piece overall. So you got Mario Andretti, and then I have another Onyx model of the Renault. And this is Nigel Mansell's Formula One car. And these are two very successful drivers. And again, all these are decals applied, so you can see some wrinkles. So it wasn't done quite perfect at the factory, but overall it's very beautiful to have these. So there you got some beautiful 1/43 scale race cars. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy these. Let me know what you think. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I'll catch you in the next one.